Hello and welcome to FieldBoss. Today, I will explain how to create resource categories or roles. You can think of these as entities that represent different types of workers or equipment. For example, for FieldBoss users, you can create roles such as technician, apprentice, or health and safety representative. For equipment, you can create roles such as a crane or a truck. Roles help in filtering or searching for a resource when you are scheduling a job. If you navigate over to the schedule board, you can see that you can filter by roles here with the filter and map view pane on the left side of the screen. This can help you quickly find a specific resource to schedule for a job. For example, say I only wanted to look at senior technicians that are available. I would simply click the Roles drop-down menu, select the role which I wanted, and then click Search. To see a list of all roles, you first need to switch to the FieldBoss Resource Scheduling app from your Dynamics 365 drop-down menu here. Once you are in this app, click the bottom leftmost button and switch to the Settings menu. You should now be able to see a Roles button in your left menu pane and click that to access your list of active roles or resource categories. Like in many different areas of FieldBoss, you can see both active and inactive roles. To see your inactive roles, click the downward facing arrow in the top left corner. To add a new role, simply click New on the top menu pane. Type in the name of the new role. I will use Junior Technician. Enter a brief description if you would like, and then hit Save and Close. If you scroll back over to your active roles, you should now see the role that you just created. You can assign roles to bookable resources in one of two ways. First, you can click into the role which you wish to assign, click into the Resource Category Associations tab, and then click the New Bookable Resource Category Association button in the right over here. Once you are here, simply select the resource that you want to associate with this new association. Then hit Save and Close. You should now see the resource that you associated with this role in this window here. You can also assign roles directly to resources by switching to the Resources tab. Here, click the resource that you wish to assign your role to. Then, to assign the role, click the New Bookable Resource Association button right here. Now, instead of searching up the name of the individual, you will search up the role that you wish to assign to any individual. After you are done, click Save and Close. You should now be able to see the role that you just assigned to the resource at hand in this table here in the bottom right. Regardless of what method you use to create this role, you should now be able to filter by it in the schedule board. If I look over to the filter pane on the left and click the Roles drop-down menu, I should now see Junior Technician in the list. When I click Search, the two names that I associated with this role should now emerge. You should now feel comfortable creating bookable resources. If you want to learn more, reach out to your FieldBoss consultant for support or check out some of our other training videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.